Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Wright. I'm going to go over just a few things that most students are struggling with. First of all, just a couple reminders. If you would like to add a page to your website, you click the plus page button and you can call it whatever you need to call it. So let's say you're going to do that, call it an academic page, click the create button. It's going to load and develop. And so now you get here and it says academic and you hit save and you've just created a page. But wait a second, it's not on your tab bar. How do we get it there? Here's how you get the page there. You go to the gear and you click edit site layout. And once you're there, you click inside the navigation bar and you simply just add the page. So let's go ahead and add an academic page. So once that's in there, you can see any of the pages up here. This is also how you can delete pages. So I'm going to add a couple pages, and then I'll show you guys how to delete them. Once you get what you want, go ahead and click OK. And then go ahead and close. And now you have multiple pages here. So the next question is, how do you delete a page once it's already up there? Go ahead and click the Edit Site Layout and click in the navigation bar. And then if I don't want lessons and notes, or if I'm deleting an academic page, just click on the page you don't want and go ahead and click the trash can and it disappears. So go ahead and click OK. And your page just disappeared, and there you go. So a couple things students would like to do. How do you get rid of these bubbles? How do you personalize this page? I'm going to show you that real quick. Inside the gear, go ahead and go to Manage Site, and go ahead and go to Themes, Colors, and Fonts. If you want to edit the entire page, if you want to change the sides, you can. But if you're just looking to change the top of the site header, here's where you do it. So you can go into here, find any pictures that you want, download them ahead of time, and pick whatever you want for your background. And now you're going to notice I can't see my name anymore. So how do I fix that? If you want to go ahead and go into the title, you can go into the title and change the color. So if I want it to be red, if I want it to be large, if I want it to be green, whatever color seems to work for your page. If you would like to change the text, the style, this is where you get to do all these things. When you're done, you can go ahead and click Save, and that's how you change your background. So let's head back to the site and see what it looks like. Okay, so there's my new topic. Now, this looks a little bit busy. I can't really even see my name. So make sure that when you add a new site header that your background is not too busy that you can't even see your name. Okay, now what I would like to do is show you how to change your format here. Oftentimes students are running into multiple columns. So how do we fix that? When you're here, let's say your career development page has a lot of columns and you'd like to change that. All you do is go to Layout, and you can pick if you want 2 columns, 3 columns, 1 column, whatever you would like to make it look like. This is how you can do that. And then that will change the format down below here. So that's how you change the layout. Let's talk about inserting pictures real quickly. If you would like to insert a picture from your iPad, go ahead and go to Insert Image. Once you go to upload that image, if it happens to pop up sideways, if you remember, all you need to do is go back into your camera roll and screenshot the image, insert the screenshotted image, and then it'll turn up the right way. So once you insert an image, students have a couple questions. My picture is gigantic. How do I fix that? What you need to do here is click large, 100%, small. We are advising everybody to keep your pictures large so that they're big enough for the judges to see. If you want your picture on the right side of the page, you can click the alignment here. if you want your picture on the left side of the page, if you want your picture in the center of the page. That's how you can move it. But what if you want words next to your page? How do we do that? It's this button right here. It's called Wrap On. So when you click the Wrap On button and you put your cursor there, you can type next to the picture. Our other piece of advice is make your font at least 16 font. Remember, judges are going to be looking at this. So just a kind of a quick reminder, here's what I did. To size your picture, to change where your picture is on the page, this is what you do, and to have words next to your picture, this is what you do. English teachers are advising students to put their resume on their career development page. So how do we do that? When you're on the career development page, go to the edit button. I'm going to delete what I put in there. And I'm simply going to go to Insert, Drive. Click the document I want. If you have a million documents, you can search for it by typing. So I'm going to look for a resume. And I'm going to insert the resume like this. I think I'll center it. Nothing's going to appear until I click Save. And then here's your resume. We're hoping that all students will have a resume on their career development page. Okay, the last thing that you should do, go ahead and click the share button and make this site public. You can do that by going to Share and go ahead and put this on the public website so that anybody can only view, not access and change, just view your website. Okay, you are good to go. If you have any questions, I will be in the cafeteria every Tuesday and Thursday, all lunches. Please don't hesitate to ask or email. Remember, Defense Day is April 27th. Have a great day.